Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Visual Studio Code, a very powerful free code editor. It's so perfect for beginners, so you don't have to worry, you don't have to do so much. I'll also show you how to set up some useful extensions and customize the theme. So stay with me, let's get started. So first things first, let's download Visual Studio Code, which all you have to do is to go to go to your browser, download VS Code, or better still, visit code.visualstudio.com. Then you will see if you use Windows, you can easily download here. But if you're someone who uses Linux or every other OS, you can just come to Docs, then come to download Visual Studio Code for Windows and others, and you will be able to see your option of your preferred OS here, so you can install it, which I've already done because it takes time. I've already been able to install Visual Studio Code, so all I need to do is to show in folder, so that it shows me Visual Studio Code in folder. Once I'm here, I'm going to be double clicking the VS Code exe file so that we can install it. So it's asking me to go through the license agreement, which is really important for you to take time to read. But because I had to uninstall for this tutorial, so I'm already aware. So I just click I accept the agreement and then move on. And then he's asking, select the additional task you would like set up, blah, blah, blah. Add open with code. This is very important. It will make it easier for you to be able to open your VS Code with files and folders. And then the other options I selected. You can also say create a desktop icon to make things much more easier for us, right? Then we can click next and next. Then we're ready to install Visual Studio Code. So it's currently installing for us. So like, as you can see, we have successfully installed VS Code. All you just need to say is finish. And then we have VS Code installed already. It's super easy, right? And I was working on the Calc app like for one of my tutorials. So I'm just going to close that. Default VS Code is kind of like plain. Like if you check it out, it's plain. So let's fix that real quick. All you need to do is to click on extension, or you use Ctrl+Shift+X on Windows. Then you search Dracula official. Or One Dark Pro. Both will give you a sleek dark mode look, right? It's a cool one. So here's the Dracula theme official. We're just going to install it. Trust publisher and install. Yeah. So you just click on install. You go to settings. Go to settings. Then color theme. You can see it has already even changed. It has already changed my VS Code settings to the Dracula mode, right? So now your VS Code looks fresh, but what about making it work better? Let's check it out. So if you see this code now, things have changed compared to when I first wrote the code and all of that. So that means the Dracula theme official, the theme has already taken effect. So the do is to go back to the extensions tab on Visual Studio Code. Go back to the extensions tab and type in Prettier. And it's going to bring it out for you. It's going to Prettier always automatically formats your code and make it look neat and nice. So you need to install, and then we wait for that to install. While that is installing, another very pretty, amazing extension you can install is Live Server. Live server lets you see your changes instantly, and it's so amazing for web developers. So we're going to search server live server extension, install, trust publisher, and install. And that is currently installing. So while that is installing, another awesome extension that is efficient and is great is S-Links, ES-Links. It helps you find and fix errors while coding. Another one, which is the last one, is GitLens. It makes working with Git so much more easier for you. So now let's search for ES-Links or S-Links. S-Links. Okay. Install that. And all you just need to do is, as much as you want to add extensions, or you feel that something is useful, might be useful for you, all you just need to do is to come to the extension marketplace and then come to the extensions and then install. All is available for you and they're free, right? Most of them are free, so you can select the free ones. So GitLens, here is GitLens. We'll install that too. Trust publisher and install. To install all of them, all you just need to do, like I said earlier, is to go to the extension, search for their names, and hit install. That's it. So we've been able to install 4 amazing extensions. 1, Prettier, to automatically format our code. 2, live server. It lets you see your changes instantly, especially for web developers. It's so great for web developers. S-Linked or ES-Linked helps you find and fix errors while coding. So it's easier for you, debugging is easier, and you have less work to do to not stress yourself as such. Then another one, which is the last one, GitLens. It makes working with Git so much more easier that you don't have to do so much as well. Right. Now that VS Code is ready, let's create our first program just for testing, right? So what you need to do is to come to File here, click on File, go to Open Folder, create a new folder. So on my desktop, I'll just create a new folder. I just create a new folder and name it First Lesson, or whatever you wish to name it. Just give it a name, right? So we'll just open that. Inside the folder, when we come here, we can create a app.py, which is like an extension of Python. To learn Python, you can just come here. In case you forgot to add path to your during the installation process of your VS Code, what you just need to do is to go to your environment variables. Once you go to your environment, click on environment variables and come to the system variables. Click on path, edit, new, and then add your new VS Code you just installed. This will make it easier to also use CLI, right? This will make it for command line prompts, command line usage, right? If you want to use your VS Code from the command line. So I hope you've learned a lot today. Take care. Bye, guys.